Since the first identification of COVID-19, a respiratory illness which is a highly contagious disease has rapidly spread across the globe.
Face mask wearing is now mandatory in an effort to stop the spread of COVID-19.
Various restrictions including face mask had begun all over the world. UAE announced several restrictions with fines for violators of face mask rules. The new normal has now become accepted by many across the world. Face masks are made of petroleum-based non-renewable non-woven polypropylene that are non-biodegradable, hazardous to the environment and create health issues. The pandemic has estimated to generate up to 7,200 tons of medical waste every day, much of which is disposable masks. What emerged as a worldwide pandemic is now threatening humanity in many ways. Disposal is important as it may still carry pathogen contaminants which is potentially considered hazardous waste. Improper disposal of masks by humans have led to pollution, littering, which is faced by both terrestrial and marine environments. Masks must be properly disposed of, as well as collected and sorted in the right manner. We have come up with a solution to this issue. Community can recycle their disposable face masks in the standalone bins that will be clearly identified with signage. Once the masks have been collected, they will be delivered to a treatment plant for conversion. After the different types of masks have been segregated, they will be treated and go through disinfection and sterilization for hygienic reasons. The masks are broken down and sterilized by a special machine which exposes them to UV rays that takes approximately 5 seconds only. It will then be melted, resulting in a pellet-like product. These pellets may be readily packed, sorted, and shipped to many other facilities for transforming them into products such as furniture, asphalt for roads and everyday items. To attain this goal, we have developed a state-of-the-art waste management center to process and recycle waste. 10 sustainability development goals were achieved in this process. Through the youth sustainability competition, we'd like to become a small part of a big dream.